Strategic Management Series Part 2, Stages of Strategic Management. Strategic management is an iterative process consisting of several interdependent steps. The key phases of strategic management are 1. Strategy formulation. 2. Strategy implementation. 3. Strategy evaluation and control. The first phase of strategic management is strategy formulation, during which the organization defines a clear direction to achieve its goals and objectives. This process involves analyzing the environment, setting goals and objectives, and developing a strategic plan. Key steps in the strategy formulation process: define the organization's mission, vision, and values to provide a framework for developing the strategic plan. Conduct an analysis of the external and internal environment. Set goals and objectives based on the results of the environmental analysis. Identify and evaluate strategic alternatives. Select a strategy that is feasible, suitable, and acceptable. Develop an action plan needed to implement the chosen strategy. Communicate the plan to stakeholders to ensure awareness within the organization. Strategy implementation is the second stage of strategic management, where an organization puts its strategic plan into action. Strategy implementation involves executing the strategy plan, ensuring the organization can accomplish its goals, and setting up controls and feedback to measure success. Key steps in the strategy implementation process: allocate resources such as capital, personnel, and technology to support the implementation. Define responsibilities of each individual and departments. Set timelines for each task and milestone. Create a system of controls and feedback to monitor progress and ensure that the plan is on track. Develop a communication plan to keep stakeholders informed about the implementation of the strategic plan. Strategy evaluation and control is the final stage of strategic management, where an organization assesses its strategic plan, monitors progress, identifies challenges and opportunities, and makes necessary adjustments to achieve its goals. Key steps in the strategy evaluation and control process: monitor progress to compare actual results. Identify problems and opportunities by analyzing the monitoring process results. Take corrective action by making changes to the strategic plan. Evaluate the effectiveness of the strategic plan by assessing the results of the corrective actions taken. Repeat the process on a regular basis to ensure that the strategic plan continues to meet its goals and objectives. The three phases of strategic management are interconnected and should be executed in a continuous cycle. The success of a strategic plan relies on each stage, as a well-defined strategy ensures a clear and realistic plan that aligns with the organization's goals, values, and principles. Follow this series for more insights on strategic management.